Hello. So a little while ago, we did Ron's Gone Wrong. It looked like this. That's right. Now, we need to bling him up. Because that's what we do. Now, if you haven't seen one of these before, it's where we take a character and we make them look much, much, much cooler. So, here's Ron. Alright, I've started off by taking off his cool little woolly hat. And we've got a cap. Snapback, backwards. Pretty cool. He's looking cool already. Look at him. Bless him. Now, have you seen this film yet? I reckon it's going to be amazing. Look at that. He's got to have a little shaved bit in his eyebrow because that is the epitome of cool. And a little tash, a little goatee. He's looking a bit like Ron the Rapper now, isn't he? A little earring up top there. And what's this? A little medallion coming in. Yeah, that's pure gold, baby. What are we going to have? A little rougher Ron in there. He's looking proper gangster now, isn't he? This is a proper bling up. And we're going to do Barney next, don't you worry. We're not going to leave this guy out. We've given him some cool tattoos down his kind of arm things. I'm not sure if they actually are arms. A little bit more detail on the chain there. Then we need to, I think, bling up those wheels. Because they're fine as they are, but they're not so cool. So what else? What other colours would we do? We've got to have them golden. Same as the medallion. Some chill gold wheels. We need some bling bling on there. Nice and shiny. Look at that. This guy could go and win all the awards at the MTV Video Awards. Because that's how cool he is. Yeah, give him his blue hat. Now we've completely changed him, right? You should try this too. Bling up your favourite characters or ask me to bling up your favourite characters. I love doing these. They're so much fun. A little bit of shiny on the hat. I reckon he's looking fit for biz now. This is it. Barney's coming up next, so don't miss part 2 of this Ron's Gone Wrong bling up. I will see you next time on CaptainFishbeard.com.